Good morning, my beautiful Daikini. So I am showing you what I use for my 3 days and 3 nights rituals leading to the full moon. I'm doing it as this format, but I'm also going to post it on Instagram. So every day before starting any of my morning or evening ritual, I always wear my Venusian jewels. I use really specifically gold tektite as my main Venusian manifestation stone. I wear it, it activates, it's, the main core of, property of this stone is really to manifest. Venusian, like for me, the most delicious and most powerful Venusian stone. Don't mind this, I burned myself making a potion a couple of days ago, so it's yeah, actually I burned myself even today. Look here, just brewing the potions. I put some aloe vera on it, but it burned all the way here. Yeah, very dangerous work I do. Anyways, so evening ritual. This is the Yoni Steam that I do. This is the brew. So I'm going to Yoni Steam every single cycle for 3 days, actually 3 days total, so 2 days leading to the full moon or the new moon. Today I'm talking about the full moon. So this is what I do in the evening. This is my brew, and when you Yoni Steam, I've already talked about it, you use only natural. You can use terracotta, you can use wood, you can use like here, porcelain, which is also man-made. Never ever use plastic, but anyways, different video. So here, what do I have? I hope I'm not forgetting anything. I have Tussiago, I have Queen Elizabeth, I have Lovage, I have hibiscus, I have young rosebuds, I have cloves, I have dried white grape seeds. What else do I have? I have cinnamon, I have tamarind, maybe I'm forgetting something, but anyways, this is pretty much that. This is for my night routine. So here, then I finish. So in the evening, I also honey my yoni. When I'm finished steaming, I honey my yoni. And then I put, so in the evening, I put this carnelian yoni egg. My work is primarily from the mystical Gnostic school of Isis. Sorry, yeah, there was a bird. So I was I'm losing my words. But anyways, yes, mystical school of Isis, which is a feminine school which was started in ancient Egypt. These were both given to me, actually all of my rituals from channeling, but this is specifically taught in the mystical school of Isis. So any Daikini who does Tantra, who's going to do Yoni work. So Cleopatra did that, Nefertari did that, Queen of Sheba did that. Who else? Ator did that as well. I mean, there are different places where it shows, Yoni work and using specifically red carnelian for sexual energy. That's that. And here, so I put my Yoni egg in the evening. I've already steamed, this specific mixture. And then I seal my magic. Granted, when I start the ritual, really, before applying the potions, that I listen to the mantras. So I start with Parvati mantra, then I do Amburi Shakti mantra for Kundalini and Goddess Awakening. And right now, I'm only doing Kamdev mantra as a third mantra because I'm doing also a ritual. I'm doing a ritual for a client of mine I talked about it also in a previous video, who wants to get married. So I am chanting also Katyayani mantra of the goddess Katyayani, another Venusian very well known. So basically I apply, I actually start with Erzuli, which I apply here. And then I go clockwise with my right ovary, applying Lalita potion, and then I end with left ovary, applying Oshun potion. When I am done applying my potions, I go straight. In the next video, I will show you. Actually, I don't have, well, this is going to last me for the 3 days. Today, I'm doing evening and morning, and tomorrow as well, but then it will be done. So this is my Venus smoke, which I do at the end, basically after applied the potions. You know, I told you I meditate for at least 10 minutes, after 10-15 minutes, and as I meditate I actually Venus smoke. So this is my night ritual, which I'm doing for 3 days, before the full moon or leading to the full moon. 3 nights, sorry, I meant to say 3 nights. So I wear this because this is throat chakra. You know, you apply, actually every single gold tektite is only going to work when you wear it as jewelry. It is only found in the area known today as Libya and Egypt, actually on the border in the desert areas. It's a meteorite, a Venusian meteorite, and yes, so you use it. This is for manifestation. This is the stone of manifestation. As you know, I only wear 2 meteorites, or I only use 2 meteorites, gold tektite of Libya or moldavite, which is only found also in what's the word in English? Moldavia, maybe. Right below, we say Moldavie, so I'm assuming it's Moldavia. Actually, I lied. I have laying around my place in my studio a lot of pyrites, but it's just laying around. I cleanse it, and I strengthen it during the full moon, but I don't actually do any kind of ritual with pyrite. So yeah, so I use 3 meteorites. So this is my ritual, night ritual. In another video I will do my morning ritual. Really what's different is that when it's not moon related, so throughout every day of every month of every year, I'm going to wear a Venusian jewel. Right now I'm also wearing my Venusian lace, but obviously I can't show you my intimate parts. I'm not gonna do the Yoni Steam every day. I only do the Yoni Steam during the full moon or the new moon. For my morning ritual, my morning routine, I use something different. It's not the same herbs and roots that I use. I also don't use a Yoni egg unless it's a moon related ritual. So throughout, like the, you know, like after the full moon, the day after the full moon, I will not use the Yoni egg. I will start using the Yoni egg 3 nights before the new moon. Of course, I use the potions every day. I recite the mantras every day. I meditate every day. And I don't seal with the Venus smoke as well every day. I only do it when it's moon related ritual. I hope this is, I hope you enjoy. And what else? Yeah, and in my next video, I will show you my morning ritual. What I do, what I use. It's gonna be pretty much the same thing, except for little subtle differences. Okay, see you in my next video. I love you. Manifest lavish imperial opulence. Bye.